Hi crafty friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, back with another Halloween embellishment box reveal, and this one is from Kathy. And look at this adorable little card that she sent. Love the little baddie. She said that everything is the same, might be some paper variations, colors, you know, stuff like that, but that's okay. Even look at her little envelope for her postage is just, she just put a little witch hat on it. It makes it so cute. Isn't that cute? So excited. All right, so she's got definitely multiple things here. So I don't know what to open first. I guess I'm gonna open this. Look how cute this little box is. I'm not quite sure. It feels like a pen or a pokey tool maybe. Ooh, pokey tool. Look how cute this is. This is such a clever idea. I would have never thought about that. Just taking some earplugs and just poking it on the bottom so that it's not poking through your paper or box or whatever. That's so cute. Love the skulls, and she's got a little dangle, and it's got a little black cat. So cute. Put that back in there. Come on. There we go. And then she's got these cute little pumpkins. I don't know what's in here. How's this open? There we go. Oh, we got trim in here. So she's got this hefty trim sample in here, and it's like candies and stuff. This will be great to package, like wrap stuff up in. So I appreciate that. And these cute little jack-o'-lantern guys are like perfect size for it. All right, and then she's got these bags. They've got dangles on them, and she's got little tags on them. She's got some for her swap partners as well. Aren't those cute, those little witch feet? So cute. But we have these dangles with a lot of the same wood beads that she's used on the pokey tool. A little skull guy, little kitty. We got some Hishi beads, a little tassel, a little black gummy bear. So cute. And then on the inside, also look how cute this bag is. It's probably from Shein or Temu or AliExpress, but it's so cute. It's well printed on there. Those are really cute. Oh my gosh, look at this bag. And she's made 3 of everything, so she's got some for her partners too, and it's just a bag full of goodies. Oh my gosh. Now it's like figuring how to open stuff up. So we have this little coffin. Is it? I have to get some tools to assist with my nails. To open like this? I think it opens like this. There we go. So in here, oh, we have all kinds of cute little things. So we have jemmies, we have brads, we have flowers. Ooh, these flower clusters. Can you see the details on those? We have some cool looking brads, flowers, all kinds of fun things. Look at those. So much fun. Ooh, I like all those. I don't think I have anything like these. So that's cute. I appreciate that. And we have some little skelly guys. Look at, she's got them out in all different colors. So cute. We've got, ooh, flowers. So we have orange and black flowers. They all have little centers. Look at this. Where'd it go? There's a little flower that has a little flower in it. Let's see. There we go. See, a little flower that has a little flower in it. So cute. So we got a bag of flowers. We've got a beaded pen. Gorgeous. Look how big that bubblegum bead is. It's got charms on it. It's got black cat. Here, I guess I'll open it. It is mine. There we go. So she's got a nice little dangle on it. Very cute. We have a little treat bag. I love these little treat bags. And inside we have some ghosties. So she's done a lot of die cutting. Love that. Love the little treat bag. And then we have another little box. Apparently she likes little boxes. Oh, this is so cute. Look at it's even got like a little separator. So on one side we have a little thing of Tic Tacs, and on this side we have a little chapstick. Ooh, kiwi lime. Isn't that cute? That is such a cute little idea. Love that. And then we have this container, and it's just got a bunch of gingham bows in there, but they're green, purple, black, and orange. And she's even put some stickers and stuff on that. Then we have this little vial, and it's got all these little skeleton skulls that are all different colors. And she's even got a little dangle on that. Look at, I never thought about like using perler beads as like an actual bead. Do you know what I mean? Usually you put these on like the little grids and melt them, but she's used them as like actual beads. I never thought about that, but I don't know why, because it's super cute. And then she's got this little like, so it's like a little ghost faced. She's got, there's sequin, it's a sequin mix, but so there's sequins, there's little beads, and there's diamond dots. That's a really pretty mix. But I like the little green beads. That's a cool added touch. This box is still, or bag is still going on. Then we have this little box. Ooh, so we have some of these little pendant charms. There's a fly in here and the cat is trying to get it. So sorry. I have a little ghost dangly guy. Look at that little jack-o'-lantern. He's cute. We have some bows. We have some more little wire up beads. We have haunted and a couple other little charms. Ooh, look at that charm. I like that. So cute. Oh my gosh, Kathy, you are spoiling us. Oh, we got some straws. Always love these. I don't think I have some of these, so that's great. I always like getting stuff that I don't have. So much fun. It's still going on. And then we have this. Oh, it's another sequin mix. So she's got it in this little, it's just a diamond dot container, but she's covered it with some trim. Isn't that cute? What a clever idea. And then she's got her sequin mix in here, and this one is a little bit more traditional, but she's got flatbacks and halfback pearls in there. Little bats, pumpkins. Ooh, I need to check the other bags and see if she accidentally put 2 in mine. And then we have, a little candy. And she's got little, I don't know if you can see it, it's got little orange and green beads in that little candy. And then she's got a little glitter bottle too. Look at the little spider, isn't that cute? So many things in this package, Kathy. We have stickers. We have this little envelope that's got, oh, these are just little cut aparts, but aren't those cute? So cute. And then on the back, it's got a little pocket, and it's got some more cut aparts in it from various little collections. Aren't those cute? Those are so cute. And then we have her little tag that's got all kinds of stuff. She likes shabby chic. She likes cricket. Blue and pink. Oh, she's got a birthday. Oh, I think it's just passed. Well, happy birthday anyway, Kathy. Happy birthday. And then we've got these are straw tags, but you can use them in other things. Why does everybody want to be annoying now that I'm recording? Dog's barking at the cat feeder. Aren't those cute? So cute. And we haven't even got to the embellishment box yet. Oh my gosh, let me put all this stuff away. Let me put out one of those. Okay, so here's her embellishment box. She's created this little book box for it. It's so cute. She's used this pumpkin trim. She's used little buttons to glue on her ribbons. That's so cute, but I feel some sequins coming out, so I might have shaken it up too much. So cute. It's an adorable little book box. Here is her embellishment box. Love all the black jammies. See what kind of goodies are inside. All right, let's kind of zoom you in here so I don't have to lift it. So these, were these in here? Oh, I think these might have been in here and they've fallen, but it doesn't matter. Or she's put them in here just to make sure everything stays in there. But that's definitely a cute idea, and I can use them. So let's see what we have in here. So we have beads in this one. So we have these little shaker balls. We have these little spacer beads. I love those. Ooh, this one is really cool looking. We have a skull. We have some beads, another spacer bead, another skull. And here we have some paper clips. So we have the ghosty. We have a couple bats and a couple skulls. And this one we have some flatback pumpkins. They're kind of like vintagey looking. Very cute. Then we have a whole bunch of little beads up here. Like just a whole bunch. So there's stars. Ooh, look at this flower. Love that. There's just all kinds. There's little... That's a cool looking bead. Just all kinds of cool looking beads. Fun stuff. Stars. Even this one is neat looking. Very cool. And then we have a bunch of little nail charms in here. We have a sequin mix in here, but like the bigger sequins, more like the table scatter. So there's cats, there's spiders, there's spider webs. And then up here we have a bunch of charms. So we have, let's see, let's just pull some stuff. Oh, look at this shoe. It's a fancy dancy shoe. Got an owl. We got some clay beads. We have a kitty, a gummy bear. What are the cats? Bats. Cats and bats. Ooh, a black butterfly. A black heart. Some pumpkins and spider, and then some more clay beads. And then we have some rolled flowers in here. All different colors. Then we have some spider beads in here. Oh, all different colors. And there's like the small ones. Oh, there's different sizes. There are 30 different sizes. There's the big guys. We have medium-sized ones and baby ones. And then we have a smaller sequins in this one, but they are like shaped. So there's, I don't know if you can see it. So there's skulls, there's cats, there's pumpkins. And I feel like there's something else, maybe bats. Oh, there's witches. There's a little witch, there's ghost. Those are tiny, tiny. And then in this one, we have some cool googly eyes. Oh, I like the colored ones. Those are cool. Thank you so much, Kathy, for participating in another one of my swaps. She's a great crafter. She does not have social media, but she does watch YouTube. So she definitely watches these. She usually emails me through email. That's how she connects. So I'm super excited to have her join another one of my swaps. This is a great swap. It's definitely above and beyond. So thank you, Kathy. We'll give you crafty love down in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.